Hi guys, good morning. How are
Very
you?
good morning, Nitin.
Good,
Hi,
good.
hi.
Yeah, hope you are excited to get through this new set of activities that we are going to do.
Yes,
Yes,
And
yes.
yes, let me just discuss about the last activity that we have completed. So hope your vision boards are ready and you are on your target.
yes. Vision boards are ready.
Yes, great.
It all
So
around.
yes, now the most interesting part that we are going to do of this entire 10-week course. This would be summarizing all the things that we have learned. We are going to put it in one place, and this would result into your actual personalized blueprint for success that you are going to have along with you. You can paste it next to your vision board where you can see it on a daily basis, get more clarity, and work towards your outcomes. Clear? So, this is what we are
Yes.
calling it as your personalized success blueprint. What the
Okay.
outcome of this activity would is basically you'll have a very clear cut, defined blueprint. So, this is most of the activity based thing that we are going to do. And to start with the first activity, I would request you all to write down your baselines. Uh, Manoj, you have written your baselines on page number 126.
Yes. I have written them.
Yes. Can you repeat them?
Yes, my baselines are freedom, wisdom, prosperity, friendliness, empathy.
Empathy. Great.
Yes.
And what are the important e codes that you have jotted down?
My customized e-codes, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, I am resourceful, passionate, and fun to be with. I am a valuable connection, and people around me love spending time with me. That's the first e-code. Second E code is I am innovative, action taker, and always focused towards achieving path breaking success. Third one is I am a quick learner who successfully implements the learning and tastes success each time. Next one is I am focused, determined, and a go getter and capable of changing atmosphere into my favor. I am a smart worker with lot of new strategies and capable of earning good passive income. Ever changing
Okay.
job by happiness, prosperity, and financial freedom increases manifold. These are my E codes.
Great. So after the e codes, Sachin, can you mention your 3 years outcome? Just a minute. Before
Yes,
that,
yes,
I
yes.
finished a small point of power leaps. Manoj, you have your power leaps in place?
Since my outcome was to become a famous public speaker and a coach, my power leaps are join a practical public speaking course. Next
Okay.
power leap should be read books related to personality development.
Okay.
Volunteer to speak on public platforms whenever I get chance. Participate in competitions and public events. Take a seminar or webinar individually without any assistance. These are my power leaps.
Great. So now we move to the next part of it. And Sachin, I would request you to explain your 3-year outcomes.
Yeah. So, since what Manoj has mentioned, similarly, I have also mentioned my e-codes here, then my baselines here, coming to my mastermind group, and this one. So, coming to outcome, this is my first outcome for this first year is complete my CTF certification to become a professional speaker coach, design and launch my coaching startup. Then third outcome is write a book to launch in international book fair. Next three outcome for the next 3 years uh, are speaking at TEDx event, then complete
Wow,
my book. Come again?
wow,
Yeah.
wow.
So that
We would love to
so
see you on the
Hear
TEDx
you.
platform, and we
so
will
I
Yes.
have
share your.
already got an opportunity. I have applied for an event which is happening this year in Agra in December. So hopefully, I'm keeping my finger crossed. I should get selected. I don't know. The plan B is always there. So plan A is being a TEDx
We
We
speaker.
should we should aim for
love
plan A and
Yeah,
you have
thank
all our
you.
support.
So the event is called Taj Nagri.
Oh,
So thank you for that.
Okay.
okay.
Then outcome two is complete my book and for international book festival. That is the second book which is right now I'm already working. That's my outcome for next 3 years, and then Europe tour. And the last is the top three 5 years outcome is becoming an international speaker and of success Gyan and reach 40 million turnover. So this is what I have somewhat summarized this.
Wow, wow, wow. This looks so amazing,
So when you,
inspiring.
yeah, so thank you. So coming to the next chapter
And
that is
step,
called
yes,
support team. Yeah,
yeah.
support
I
team.
would.
So I have selected few people. It is more than what you told me. It is my wife, starting with my wife. Then when Siddharth is there, Mukul. There's one coach which is whose name is Deepak Bal. Then Neeraj Soni, my mentor, and Mr. Pradman. So these are the person whom I have selected as my team member for the mastermind.
Okay.
Uh, so
Now,
I was really excited to,
yes,
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
yes, yes. You can continue.
So since you told me to complete this, so I'm feeling very excited to come to my success definition.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what does success means to you?
Ha, ha, ha.
So I think I'll say it's for success for me is complete CTF and coach 10 coaches, launching of my coaching startup, get my first paid customer because first paid customer is always the biggest hurdle in anybody's startup journey.
Okay.
Get my 10th paid customer, team of five company for comprising of salesperson and financial person and turnover 40 is my success definition. What I look forward for.
Great, great, great. So, Manoj, what did
Yes.
you learn from this?
Yes, since all our we have it's a great recap. We got to remind all our baselines, outcomes, power leaps, and putting our wildest dreams into the vision board. I started believing that my vision board will turn into reality in as per their timelines, and I will
Okay.
definitely have success in them.
Great. Now we will move to the step three of this activity of designing our success blueprint. And the step three is basically this is the time if in case you feel like changing any of the thing that we have discovered till now. That is, if you want to change your baseline or if you want to add your e codes or which part of anything that you want to improve actually.
So what I have considered is anything else you need know that need to change that left out. So I, from my point of view, details of marketing of my new startup is one thing which I am looking for to be looked into. New skills which I need to learn is the soft skills, content creation, and business strategy workshops. I need to attend few. And third is which part of your character needs to improve. So what I see is uh, proactive equanimity is one part. Second is self
Okay.
belief. I have to strengthen it, and I have to really work on the procrastination, which I keep on doing it. So during this
Okay.
journey, there are few additional e-codes which I achieved, and these e-codes are based on my vision board also. That I will take action to achieve my outcomes and will take decisions so that I keep on trying till I succeed.
Okay. And how do you feel that this activity, how are you going to continue to use this learning in your journey ahead?
Yeah. So whatever I have learnt will keep on track and will ensure that stepwise success is monitored to keep the big goal in mind. This is what I'm thinking. And my power code statement, which actually will come on the top of this success blueprint, is that I am the best and will take my life to the new success level and become a successful entrepreneur.
Great, great, great. Wow. Oh, wonderful, wonderful, and amazing. Manoj, you clear about the whole
Yes,
activity?
yes, yes, quite clear,
Yeah.
quite clear.
We actually have learned how to actually analyze things that we have done in the past, put it correctly in a stepwise manner, the baselines, the e-codes, and the success definition, and the people that we are going to need in our journey ahead, the skill sets that we are going to need ahead, है and
Yes,
how are we going to implement this in our day-to-day activities for reaching our ultimate outcome.
yes.
Yeah. So nice and
Everything is in place now.
wonderful. Everything is in place, and I request you
Yes.
all to take a print of this activity and paste it next to your vision board, so we will always have an clarity of where to move ahead. So thank you guys for today, and in the next session we are going to celebrate our achievements till now. Thank you.